with you guys. The first one is my new PC build up. In this video I'm going to show you my new PC and the specs of it, and I think it will be helpful for someone in the future. The second thing is I'm about to start my career as a freelance graphic designer next year. Actually, I'm already started. I'm currently doing some non-profitable projects just to get experiences because it's so much worth it. And actually I took 1.5 years to prepare myself as a graphic designer. I took lots of classes, lots of researches, lots of practices, but still I got so many stuff to learn.